Welcome to day one of releasing your fucks. Take a seat or lie the fuck down. Don't overthink this. There is zero overthinking here. All right? So cut that overthinking shit off. Take a seat. You don't have to have a cool hat, but if you do, awesome. Grab your cool hat. So sit your ass down. Your little ass or big ass or medium size ass. And just close your eyes. Close your eyes. That's right. Allow yourself to arrive to this meditation. And during this meditation, all you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my voice. That's it. That is it. And at any time during this meditation, if your mind wanders, who fucking cares? Just bring your mind back to my voice and back to your breathing. That's right. And I wonder if you can just pay attention to your breathing right now. Just observe your breath. Notice your breath. And it's your natural breath, nothing to do or control. Natural breath. Clearing away all your to-do lists for your day. And clearing away all your expectations. Because who fucking cares? Because all you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my voice right now. Allow your fucking face to relax. Relax in your face. All your stress, all your tension in your face starts to dissolve away, melts away. Each and every breath you take. Face starting to melt. Now relax your shoulders. Your shoulders relax here. Shoulders relaxing more and more. Shoulders relaxing deeper and deeper. That's right. Now relax your whole fucking body. Whole body relaxes more and more. Deeper and deeper. Relaxing more and more. Whole body relaxes. Whole body settles. Each and every breath you take. And in just a moment, we'll take 3 deep breaths. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose with your mouth closed. And on the exhale, you'll open the mouth and sigh it the fuck out, releasing all your stress, all your worries, all your anxieties, and all your frustrations. Sounds good, doesn't it? Yes, it fucking does. So close your mouth, take a nice deep inhale through your nose. On the exhale, open the mouth, sigh it out. Ah, yes. Again, close the mouth, inhale through your nose. Exhale, let that shit go, sigh it out. Ah. Close the mouth one more time, inhale through the nose. Exhale, make a weird sound. Ah. laugh a little bit. You can laugh at me, it's okay. There you go, slowly opening your eyes, coming back to the present moment. And you released a whole bunch of fucks, didn't you? I know you did. Sending you all the love from my heart through the camera into your space right now. Day 1 is over. Better see you for day fucking 2. Time to release your fucks. Share this with a friend, family member, someone that needs it. Boom.